Marije, yeah, so today I wanted to show you how to clean an electric pressure cooker. Yeah, as you can see, it is quite dirty. Yeah, it's been in use for nearly 3 years now, and we are still going strong. Inside, it has started peeling off a bit, the non-stick coating, but that's okay. And some of you have concerns about this non-stick coating, that it can be dangerous. But yeah, at temperatures above 200 degrees. But the maximum temperature for this particular one is 160. And I believe that's true for most uh, pressure cookers, really. So there's no need to worry about the presence of this non-stick coating. You can go ahead and use it, use your saucepan comfortably. Yeah, so we're going to start with this. This is the inner cooking pot of the electric pressure cooker. And then this is the outer cooking chamber. As you can see, it's a bit dirty, and this is the lid. Yeah, so let's start with this. We'll be using a soft cloth, just normal soap and water. Okay, outside. Mix it in the mix. Yes, that's how it looks afterwards. These are not rust stains, just stains from cooking bean soup. Yeah, we do a lot of beans in this home. Yeah, so before using it inside, we have to make sure the outside is dry, the outside part. So either you can wipe it dry or leave it in the sun to dry. And for my case, I'm going to leave it in the sun to dry. Okay, so now we go to the second part. The cooking chamber, the electric pressure cooker itself. Water cannot enter here, so we do not dip in water or anything. We just wipe on the outside, as you can see. Oops, yeah, this one is for catching steam. So we wipe on the outside with soapy cloth. Yeah, this has been, it's taken a while. We don't clean it every day necessarily, just when it's necessary. But yeah, you just wipe with with a soft cloth, as you can see. Yeah, there was a bit of stuff in it, droplets of oil, foodstuffs. Do another dip in soapy water. Squeeze out water as much as possible, and you wipe again. Please note that you don't have to do this cleaning, this part every day. Really, at least for us here, we don't. Just really once in a while when you see it is very unpresentable. This is the cooking plate. Yeah, water cannot enter here. If it enters, the appliance may not work. Okay, there's some butter stuck in there, some particles. I'll just do this and they come out. Yeah, okay. So continue wiping and wiping. Yeah, and make sure that the cloth is dry. No water should enter the inside. Yeah. Okay, we are done. We are done with the outside cooking chamber. We are done. Okay, there you are. Now we go on to the lid. Let me mention that these stains, they are coming from this cover. This is not its original cover, the cover of this. This is coming from stains from bean soup. You know, I told you this thing has been in this for nearly 3 years and we do a lot of beans in this house. So it is okay. Kindly note that the edges, they are still smooth. Same thing here, very smooth and everything here. If cockroaches eat these edges, the steam will start coming out of the pressure cooker and then it won't be working. Also note this rubber ring here, it's also still intact, same thing, stains from bean soup. Yeah, and also the edges, they are still very smooth. It's very important for you to keep this thing. When it's gone, the pressure cooking function stops because steam will be able to escape. So this tiny rubber ring is like a seal. Same thing with this one. So you're just going to wash them briefly. These ones, it's okay. Can put in water. There are no electrical parts. So you can put in water. You do not need to remove this rubber ring as you wash this one. Just leave it alone. Don't remove it to wash. Remember, once it gets lost, this rubber ring, if it gets lost, then your pressure cooker can no longer work as a pressure cooker. It will just be a normal saucepan. So just leave it alone. Don't try to remove and wash it separately. Okay, also put this in the sun to dry, or you can hang it wherever you want. Okay. Then we go to this one. Yeah, please make sure this is kept away from cockroaches, okay? Cockroaches can destroy your pressure cooker just by eating away on these edges, okay? Yeah. Just a simple wash. Okay, we are done with washing the lid. Immediately, we put it back. Please don't keep it alone. Don't store it separately because the chances of it being eaten by other bugs is very high. So immediately after washing, we assemble it again. We assemble it again. Put it on the lid. Yeah, and leave it to dry. Yeah. So, yes, thanks for watching. Oh, yeah, I've forgotten this little thing. It goes on the side here. Just fix it like that. It catches some of the steam that falls off as you cook so that your surfaces don't get messy. So, yeah, let's also clean that. It's better with a with a fork or a toothpick. That comes out quickly and more easily. My finger is very big. That's there, but yeah, here it is. Remember, just fix it like here, like this. Just that. Okay. Okay. Thank you for watching. So now we are going to cook rice, to fry rice and carrots. Catch you next time. Thank you.